Man, I really hate Mario so much. Why? Because he is always getting me and my friends into trouble a lot. I wonder what I should do to get back at him. I got it. Since Mario is inside Burgatory having lunch, I'm going to pour motor oil on his food. Ha 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 ha. Alright, let's head inside.
Oh boy, I can't wait to eat my standard deluxe burger and my house-cut potato chips that I just ordered here in Burgatory. It's going to be so delicious. But first, I'm going to use the restroom, so I'll be right back.
So, Mario ordered a standard deluxe burger and the house-cut potato chips here in Burgatory? Well, in that case, I will pour motor oil on his food. Yes, I poured motor oil on Mario's 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 food. That serves him right for getting me and my friends into trouble a lot. Now to run away before I get caught.
Alright, I'm back from the restroom. Now it's time for me to eat my standard deluxe burger and my house-cut potato chips. Oh my god! My standard deluxe burger is covered in motor oil, and so is my house-cut potato chips. Someone must have poured motor oil on my standard deluxe burger and my house-cut potato chips. I wonder who it was.
It was me, Mario. I poured motor oil on your standard deluxe burger and your house-cut potato chips, because you kept getting me and my friends into trouble a lot. How do you like that?
Dark Sand Buddy bro, are you serious right now? I can't eat my standard deluxe burger and my house-cut potato chips like this because they are covered in motor oil. I can't believe you would do that to my food. Hey, what's going on here? Is there something wrong? Yes, there's Gary. While I was using the restroom, Dark Sand Buddy bro poured motor oil on my standard deluxe burger and my house-cut potato chips. Really? Dark Sand Buddy bro, I can't believe you poured motor oil on Mario's standard deluxe burger and his house-cut potato chips. You know you're not supposed to do that to someone's food here in Burgatory. That's it, you're now kicked out of this Burgatory location for the entire month, and I will call your father about this. After that, I will give Mario a fresh new standard deluxe burger and a fresh new house-cut potato chips. Get out of here right now.
When Dark Sand Buddy bro got home. Dark Sand Buddy bro, I just got a call from Gary. He told me that you poured motor oil on Mario's food at Burgatory, and you got kicked out of Burgatory for the entire month.
But Dad, Mario kept getting me and my friends into trouble a lot, so that's why I poured motor oil on his food at Burgatory.
Dark Sand Buddy bro, that's not a good excuse on why you poured motor oil on Mario's food at Burgatory. You should never do that to someone's food at a restaurant, and because of this, you are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.